In the previous video, we looked at how to solve the equation square root 10 minus 3x equals 4 on the graphing calculator. We obtained a graph that looks like this. We can see that the intersection point is negative 2, 4. Now what I want to do is I want to solve the equation algebraically so you can see the connection between the intersection point on the graph and the solution to the equation. I want to start by squaring both sides of the equation to eliminate the square root sign. On the left side, I will get 10 minus 3x, and on the right side, I will get 16. Since I'm taking the square root of 10 minus 3x, that radical sign has an index of 2. That's why I want to square both sides. By squaring both sides, I can cancel out the index of 2. But on the right side, I have to square the number 4 as well. But now I'm just left with a linear equation. I can subtract 10 from both sides, and I'll get negative 3x equals 6, divide by negative 3, and x equals negative 2. Notice how the solution is the x value of the intersection point. Let's just check our solution to be sure. I'm going to rewrite my original equation, first as a skeleton, then I'm going to input the value negative 2 for x. So under the square root sign, I'm going to get 10 plus 6, and that's supposed to equal 4. Square root of 16 equals 4, and 4 equals 4. So I can be confident that my solution is x equals negative 2. Notice how the solution is the x value of the intersection point. So the solution is not the whole entire intersection point. The solution is the x value of the intersection point. X equals negative 2.